This is an LED bulb from GreatValue. I think this is the Walmart's home brand. This is a 6-watt LED equivalent to a 40-watt light bulb. It is rated at 120 volts. Let's find out what's inside and how it works. It has the branding and all the important ratings mentioned here. It has a soft plastic diffuser, so it won't break if you drop it. The diffuser is hard to remove. It's very tightly glued in place. I had to use a screwdriver to force my way into it. This is how it looks inside. These type of LED bulbs won't have just one LED inside them. Instead, they'll have multiple connected in series. This LED bulb has 7 LEDs connected in series. When powered, all these 7 will light up. The power from the AC bulb holder will arrive through these two terminals here, that is T1 and T2. So let me remove the PCB to show you more clearly. So these are the two terminals, that are connected to the bulb holder, and they bring power to these two terminals, that is T1 and T2. The power then flows to the bridge rectifier here, that is BD1, and it then flows to smoothing capacitor. So the capacitor is actually on the other side, so it's connected through T3 and T4 here, and the power then flows through the 7 LEDs, and then so the current through the LEDs is actually controlled by the LED driver chip here. The bridge rectifier takes 120 volts AC, that is alternating current, from the wall outlet and converts it into direct current, that is DC, with ripples. The smoothing capacitor reduces the ripples. You may ask, why DC? Why can't we use AC? Because current can only flow in one direction, through the diode. The LED driver chip controls the current through the LEDs and thereby their brightness.